back to the big dome. Kanina po natin pinag-uusapan. Ito si Donald Copeland. May additional pa na balita ang ating kasamang si Miss Peaches Amerin.
Tama yan, Richard. As you can see, ang jersey number ni Donald ay number 4. Pero ang talagang number daw niya ay number 3. But since suot-suot ni Nick Velasco, pinili na lang daw niya ang pinakamalapit, which is 4. Because this is the number his dad used to wear. Ganyan si Donald, malapit talaga sa pamilya na pati sa braso niya nakatato ang kanyang mommy, kapatid at daddy. At saka ang dadagdag daw dyan ay ang pangalan ng kanyang 1-year-old baby. For more on Donald, hintayin niyo mamaya during the half, guys.
Thank you very much. Kala ko typographical error lang yung nanamdan. Di pala. So talagang very close sa kanyang pamilya. Ito si Donald Copeland. And Jason Dixon is back. Missing on that one. At ito na. Nagpapakita na rin ng bangis ang mga higante ng Pure Foods.
At minsan-minsan naman lang makikita itong lineup na ito, no? Yung 3 big niyang lineup with Rico and Kirby.
We go back to Kirby against Marcelan. Nakaabang rin si Dixon doon sa loob. Fade away ni Kirby. Wala. Tapi ka ng bola. Ito, napunta kay Rico Villanueva. And another follow-up jam by Reda Ralini.
Yan ang binabayaran dyan, ano? Kaya kung tinatanong nyo bakit wala na ito si Darius Rice na napaka-prolific scorer, it's because Reda Ralini will find ways to score.
Si Jason Dixon wanting to return the compliment, pero talagang ayaw bigyan ng dunk shot ito Pure Foods TJ Giants at mabuhayan ng Coca-Cola Tigers. I'd rather see him take his chances from the free throw line. Once again, take a look at this. Ito yung tira ni Rico Villanueva. And ito yung follow-up. You know, with its rules ngayon sa PBA, pwede na yan eh. While the ball is bouncing back, bouncing doon sa rim, pwede na. Hindi na yan goaltending. Sayang, kung naglalaro ko pa sana.
Hindi kayo nang hinayang si Rico doon.
Sana hinihila mo yung mga net sa ilalim eh. Pasok na dapat eh, no? Para kay Rico Villanueva na dapat yung 2 points eh.
2 for 2 para kay Jason Dixon, who has been hit more than once tonight in this ball game, ano? At kailangan niya talagang panindigan yan dahil siya nga ay nagiging number 1 scorer dito sa PBA, and of course he has to expect players being physical against him.
Ito, silang dalawa ni Ralimi nag-PPC kaalad. Balik muna sila kay Kirby Raimundo. Tapped out by Mark Nelan. And this is the luxury of Coach Pinky Fabius. Inalisa si Nelan pero may Nick Velasco pa siya na ipapalit naman pambantay dito kay Kirby Raimundo. Here's James Yap. Shoots over Roger Buenafe. Nothing there. Ang bola mananatili dito sa white shirts ng Pure Foods.
Sila naman ang nagiging active ngayon on the offensive glass. Kanina nakikita natin si Asita Olava, who's getting a lot of offensive rebounds. This time is the time of the TJ Giants to be active sa offensive glass.
Dire-diretso si Roger Yap. Niluwa lang ng bola ng ring yung bola. So a 2-point lead for Pure Foods. They dump the ball inside. Nick Velasco against 3 defenders, losing the leather. Ball will go back to Pure Foods. So ngayon, Pure Foods pinaghihigpitan rin nila yung kanilang depensa.
Kita mo naman yung depensa dun sa loob, ano? Talagang pinagkaisahan yung si Nick Velasco, caught in the land of the Giants.
There's Rico Villanueva making his move against Kalimag. Nawala ng bola. Roger Buenafe challenges Roger Yap, and he wins that challenge.
Another one of those players who will really excel in the open court, and only his first 2 points of the ball game. As we see another foul dito sa ilalim.
Ricky Kalimag, kanina pa sila nagbabrasuhan dyan ni Rico Villanueva. That's a first foul on Ricky Kalimag.
Kanta ka mo!
James Yap, one fake, comes closer. Pasa niya dapat para kay Ralimi na tapigan. Here's Cabagnot. Cabagnot with a floater. Wala. And the ball. Anong desisyon ng ating mga referees? Balik dito sa Pure Foods.
You know, a lot of people might question why eto si Cabagnot, ano, tinitira kagad kahit 3-on-1 break. Well, the fact is it's really easier to score on an open court situation kaysa yung nakaset up na itong depensa ng Pure Foods TJ Giants.
They go back to Rico Villanueva. Good help defense by Jason Dixon.
At yun yung sinasabi natin, napakahirap mag-score, especially in this ball game. Yung half-court defenses of these two teams tonight have been formidable.
Good tap by Reder Alimi. Ito ngayon si James Yap. James Yap racing down court. James Yap goes all the way. Kulang lang sa Pectus. Counter fast break for the Coca-Cola Tigers. Buena Fe. Iniwang libre sa 3. A bit strong. Umagal na scoring natin dito ha. Sa ating second quarter. Raleigh block from behind. 8 seconds to shoot para sa Pure Foods. Eto na ngayon si JP Yap. Wala pa rin. Offensive rebound for Rico Villanueva and a traveling is called against Villanueva.
Rico will not agree, but it looked like a nice move, ano? Galing kay Rico Villanueva, pero he was caught with a traveling. At yun.
Both teams struggling offensively here in the second quarter. Velasco looking for Dixon inside. Now he gets it at a post. 8 seconds to shoot for the Tigers. Buena Fe behind the back move. Wala pa rin yung tira niya. Both teams, puro bakal lang tinatamaan.
Hirap sila. Nung sa half-court set, hirap sila. Nakikita natin yung mga scores off, points off turnovers, points off the fast break, and second chance opportunities. Pero in the half-court set, minsan lang tayo makakita ng nakaka-opensa.
Ito is Roger Yap. Quick turnaround. Niluwa pa rin yung kanyang tira. Is Buena Fe. Pasigsag-sigsag. Buena Fe gives it to Kalima. Kalima to the corner kay Copeland. Nothing there. Offensive rebound by Nick Velasco. Velasco powers his way up the basket. And finally, somebody scoring.
Somebody not getting down on defense and blocking off Nick Velasco gets his first 2 points in the ball game.
12 seconds lang natitira sa ating first half. Kirby Raimundo can tie this ball game up. Kirby against Nick Velasco. Nakaabang. Itong si Dixon. He splits a double team. He gets his own miss. Wala pa rin. Good effort. Lang talagang hindi pumasok yung tira, and that will end things the first half of action, and it has been a bruising encounter mga kaibigan between these two teams, the Pure Foods TJ Giants and the Coca-Cola Tigers. And so far at the half, lamang po ng dalawa ang Coca-Cola Tigers 38-36. Watch out for our halftime features coming up next.